Welcome to another Brickright video. Today, Moasure have been kind enough to send me this product out to trial, and it's the brand new Moasure 2 Pro. So if the Moasure 1 wasn't already good enough, this Moasure 2 Pro, I can actually measure 16 seconds between each measurement. So that makes things a heck of a lot easier for me. So I can keep this in the van and I can use it on my quotes and doing all the measurements that Moasure does, and it's now got a 10-hour battery time. This Moasure 2 still measures meter squared, perimeters, falls and elevation, 3D terrain maps and contours. Moasure's also USB-C compatible, so you can charge it in the house or in the van. So you can take your measurements on the Moasure 2 Pro and you can send it via CAD or PDF. The Moasure actually comes in this really handy, durable zip-up case. So I've got my Moasure in there all charged, ready to go. And I've got my stick where the Moasure goes in there, my phone goes on there, extend it out, and I'm ready. I'm portable, I'm ready to go. This little device is fun to use. It looks really professional when you're using it with your clients. If you're measuring stuff like volumes, as we've talked about, if I'm measuring a really awkward shape driveway, I can use the Moasure and get that accurate measurement, which gives the client an accurate price. So we've used this now for about a year, the Moasure 1, and we've just been sent this Moasure 2. It's fantastic. It's really fun to use. I'd recommend one. So if you are looking to purchase a Moasure 2 Pro, if you look in the description below, you can get a code on there and that will actually give you a discount. The Moasure up, that goes into there. My phone goes on to this bit here. I'm going to set that up. I'm going to measure this awkward curve, and I'm also going to measure all the awkward measurements down there as well. And it doesn't matter if there's anything in my way, because Moasure will actually take that into account and do the accurate measurement for you. So get yourself a Moasure. Hopefully the video's helped, and have a bit of fun with it. See you on the next one. Cheers.